What is out of order? Give to Jeanette.
Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to add my voice to the statement that you have approved for Honorable Wanjala. Mr. Speaker, the AFCON games that are coming ahead of us are very, very important games. And this is the first time, Mr. Speaker, we'll be hosting the AFCON games in our country. But Mr. Speaker, you know very well you're a soccer fan. What adds flavor to soccer are the fans, Mr. Speaker. If you don't have fans, you will not enjoy a soccer game. You know that very well, Mr. Speaker. And where soccer fans are known, Mr. Speaker, they are in western part of the country, either in western Kenya or Nyanza, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in my view, there is no need of having, Mr. Speaker, as a fan of Arsenal, you know last weekend when Arsenal and Man City were playing, the way the fans were very happy when the last minute goal came, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, what adds flavor to soccer is the fans that are watching the game. There are no fans in some parts of this country for soccer, and Honorable Bokose knows that very well. He's a fan of something else, I know, Mr. Speaker. So I am persuading the Ministry of Sports. There is no need of having two stadia hosting games in Nairobi. We can have Kasarani in Nairobi, and then we can have Bukhungu or the one in Kisumu as the second one. This stadia here they are calling Talanta. This is a joke, I know it. The one on Ngong Road, there is nothing there, Mr. Speaker. That is a place for Bishop Owour to do his crusade. That's not a soccer place. That's a meeting point for Bishop Owour, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, I want this House to summon the Minister for Sports so that we can transfer one of the stadiums to Kisumu or Bukhungu Stadium. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Chairman Sports, bring a statement